All right, here's a little less than 2 minute video of how easy it is to remove popcorn ceiling from a wall. All you need is two things: the sprayer with water in it, and I use a paint sprayer and then a scraper. And that's all you need, and the manpower, no chemicals. Alright, so here's the outro video of just showing you what you're going to expect from future videos. So as you can see, I did all this. This is in my first rehab that this video is recording on. I'm already working on my second rehab. Just late to record my videos because I'm not a YouTube editor. And it takes me a little longer. You're going to see stuff like getting this pot filler put in, this stove, the sink, hidden dishwasher that's over there that you might hear in the background going. Then you have a trash can pull out right here. And also to show you this double oven feature that I put over here. It's basically a little, I guess you could say, IKEA hack.